Greetings everyone, I'm Michael and this is Credit Kuri, where we talk about credit, finance, and investments. In today's video, we're going to go over 4 ways to protect yourself from debt collection scams. If you're worried about becoming a victim of debt collector scam, here's how you can protect yourself, your bank account, and your personal information. Number 1, contact your creditor. Track the source of the debt by reaching out to the creditor to see if it has any information about the debt in question. If the company that contacted you matches what the creditor has on file, you'll know it's a legit debt collector. Always ask for a validation letter or confirmation about the debt. That way, if you do receive fake debt collection letters, you'll be able to check them against the legit ones from the actual collection agency. Number 2, check your credit report. Look at your credit report to see if the debt the collector is referring to is on your report. You can order free credit reports from all 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion at annualcreditreport.com. Note that while most debt is reported, not all debt collectors relate information to the credit bureaus. This means that the debt could still be yours, but not show up on your credit report. In this case, you may need to do more research to look into the alleged debt. Number 3, don't disclose any financial information. When someone asks for both personal and financial information, don't share anything the potential scammer doesn't already know. Instead, ask for the name of the caller, the collection company, contact information such as a phone number or email address, and its physical address. If the collector is willing to provide information, that's a good sign. Next, try to call the company or send it an email. If you get a deadline or the email bounces back, that's a red flag. Save any discussions of your financial and personal information until you have verified that the debt collector is legitimate. Number 4, stay calm and know your rights. Dealing with a debt in collections can be stressful and embarrassing, but don't be hasty. A legitimate debt collector should be able to provide you with documents that show where the debt came from, when they acquired it, and how they arrived at your current balance. Always ask for this verification as soon as collection attempts begin. Under the Fair Debt Collection Practice Act, a legit collector needs to identify themselves and can't try to contact you at unusual times or places. They also can't communicate with anyone about your debt except for your attorney, the attorney for your creditor, or the collection agency, and in some cases a consumer reporting agency. It is also helpful to know your state's statute of limitations on debt. This can be anywhere from 3 to 10 years. If the debt they claim you owe, legitimate or not, is beyond the statute of limitation, the collector can attempt to collect but cannot sue you. How to report fake debt collectors. If you think you've been scammed or there's been an attempt to scam you, there are ways you can fight back. Number 1, keep a paper trail. Keep records of all communication with the collector. Take notes on the dates and times of every phone call. Save emails and texts and gather letters and any other correspondence you receive from the company. If it is legal in your state, record any phone calls. The more information at your disposal, the stronger your complaint would be if you file a report. Number 2, reach out to your state attorney general. Your attorney general office is on the alert for scammers and aims to put a halt to fraud such as debt collection scams. Number 3, submit a complaint. You can report a fake debt collection agency to the Federal Trade Commission and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. With major debt collection rules change slated for November 30th, 2021, one of the biggest changes is that debt collectors will be allowed to contact you through email, text messages, and social media direct messages. There's a really good chance that scams will increase with all the new methods of communication, so be proactive and remember your rights. That was our video. If you have any other tips, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a good day.